In our previous episodes, we learned in detail about creating a design brief out of a business strategy, mind mapping from the design brief. We also did a trend research exercise, we learned in depth about mood board, and we also learned how to create a shirt flat drawing. I'll recommend you to watch these videos and understand the overall context of this video. We got the silhouette and detailing ideas from trend research, the design brief along with the references from the mood board like color, fabric, seasonal directions. Let's move into design development process now. A design process is not about the first sketch you drew. That is not your final design. It is a series of rough sketches, doodles. Let your strokes do the work on paper considering the design brief and all the research aspects done so far. Those tiny details like you see here on the collar details and some aesthetic mix and match or functionality play of panels and other things. That is what design exploration is all about. Now that a part of my exploration is done, we can take these ideas and fare them up on Illustrator. I'm still exploring Affinity Designer, so for now, my choice of making flat drawings remains to be Adobe Illustrator for the flexibility of the pen tool. Here is an example of one of the shirts that is taken from the exploration. Guys, I just checked my analytics and 70% of you who have watched my videos are not even subscribed to my channel. Please remember, watching these videos costs no money to you, but if you like the channel, it's always best if you can support the channel by subscribing to it. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let YouTube find this channel in its algorithm.